Roof repair services in Warren MI are essential for maintaining the integrity of your home. Whether you need leak repair, Warren MI, or shingle replacement, Warren, Michigan, our expert roofing contractor Warren is here to help. We specialize in roof repair, ensuring your home is protected from the elements. For those in need of roof installation, our Warren MI roof installation experts provide top-notch services. We handle everything from flat roofing Warren MI to metal roofing Warren, Michigan, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Our team uses only the best roofing materials Warren MI to guarantee long-term results. Roof maintenance is crucial for extending the life of your roof. Our roof inspection Warren, Michigan services help identify potential issues before they become major problems. Regular roof cleaning. Warren MI and roof ventilation. Warren, Michigan are part of our comprehensive maintenance plans. When it comes to roof replacement Warren, Michigan, roofing contractor Warren offers a variety of options, including asphalt shingles, Warren MI, and metal roofing Warren, Michigan. Our roofing estimates Warren, Michigan are transparent and competitive, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Gutter installation. Warren MI is another critical service we provide. Properly installed gutters protect your home from water damage and are an essential part of roof waterproofing Warren, Michigan. Our team ensures your gutters are installed correctly and function efficiently. In the event of roof storm damage, Warren, Michigan, our emergency roofing Warren MI services are available 24/7. We respond quickly to minimize damage and begin the roof restoration Warren, Michigan process. Our roofing warranty. Warren, Michigan provides peace of mind, knowing your roof is protected. Roof coating. Warren MI and roof sealing Warren MI are excellent ways to enhance your roof's durability. These services provide an extra layer of protection against the elements, extending the life of your roof. Our roof flashing Warren, Michigan services ensure all roof components are securely sealed. Our roofing consultation Warren MI services help you make informed decisions about your roofing needs. Whether you're considering a new roof installation or need advice on roof maintenance, roofing contractor Warren is here to guide you. We provide detailed information on all available options.